Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry. Start by understanding the fundamental definitions of sine, cosine, and tangent. These are the building blocks for everything else. Remember the SOHCAH-TOA mnemonic to easily recall the ratios for right triangles. Consistent practice in identifying the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse sides will solidify your understanding of these core concepts. Next, delve into the Pythagorean theorem, which is crucial for solving right triangles. Then, explore the unit circle. It's a powerful tool that connects angles to coordinates and helps visualize trigonometric functions beyond just right triangles. Finally, dedicate time to mastering common trigonometric identities. These formulas are essential for simplifying expressions and solving more complex problems. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Practice solving real-world problems, such as those involving angles of elevation and depression. Work through a variety of examples to reinforce your understanding and build confidence. Don't hesitate to utilize online resources, practice tests, and textbooks for additional practice questions and different perspectives on problem-solving strategies. As you progress, investigate inverse trigonometric functions, which help you find angles when you know the side ratios. Also, study the laws of sine and cosine, which are vital for solving problems involving non-right triangles. Consistent effort and exploring these advanced topics will deepen your trigonometric knowledge. And speaking of making things easier, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and focused on your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.